doesn't like it? I like it melted. When you pull them apart like this.
Oh, I like when they're...
That's my favorite. I like them when you wrist them over.
I like when they get burnt on the outside and they're melted in the middle and then they squish in your mouth.
Do you know what marshmallows used to be made out of? In the old days? Cotton.
Cotton?
I swear. That's what they used to be made out of. Elton Brown on Good Eats showed me. I swear. What are they made out of? Yeah. Now they're made out of corn syrup.
Sugar.
Glucose and fructose. And sucrose and all those oats things. All those oses. And oil.
And oil.
Oil.
Yummy. Yummy. I don't like marshmallows covered in sugar. Oh my dear Lord.
I'm addicted to chapstick. Okay?
You're a chapstick.
At least I'm addicted to chapstick and not anything else. Except for alcohol.
I am allergic to food. I'm not eating. I'm not going to eat until after Utah.
You're right. If we drive to Taco Bell, you get 6 tacos.
Maybe I'll get 6 tacos after 3 bags of beef jerky I just ate. Thanks, Ma. Thanks.
Chalupa.
Let's see. What have I had today?
Francisco. That's fun to say. Francisco.
He touched the butt.
This made me ink.
I'm H2O and tolerant. There's horses over there. There's horses. Horses.
Those buildings. Is that a school? No.
That is the school over there.
Maybe we've passed the school.
What school?
Very Springs.
Oh, yeah?
How many times have you gone to the rooms?
A lot.
You passed the school.
Carly, stop playing with the keychain. Hey.
Look at these trees, they're dying. It's like Sleepy Hollow.
Can you burp?